Today's video is on hemming, and unfortunately we are seeing more and more. These are the two lining layers. I've got two lining layers underneath, and notice the second layer is a little bit shorter. More and more tragically, we're seeing this as a hem. It's just a narrow rolled serge hem, where it's the short serge, a rolled, but just the serge. It's not folded under and stitched or anything. It's just like that. And these cheaper dresses that are coming out, I don't mind if brides, this is what keeps in their budget, but unfortunately we need to learn how to do them. So I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to trim off just a little bit, about 1/4 of an inch under our height that we need there. And then I'm going to do a serged roll hem, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Bye-bye. Okay, I just want to show you the difference between a normal serge and a rolled hem serge. Before I adjusted my serger to this shorter rolled hem, I went ahead and just serged the other edge of that hem that I'd cut off, just so you could see the difference there between here's the rolled hem and here's just a regular serge. So there you go, so you can see that. Now I'm just gonna make my adjustments and serge a rolled hem on there. And then the most important thing is to iron it when you're done. Make sure after you do that rolled hem that you iron it. Alright, now we are serging. And the trick to serging with to do a rolled hem to make it smooth is to kind of hold the back behind as you go. You're not trying to stretch it. You don't want a lettuce leaf, but you do need to give it a little bit of tension back there just to keep that rolled hem smooth. It tends to just curl up, and you can adjust your tensions all day, and frankly it's easier just to hold on to the back and keep it smooth. So there's the roll hem that I'm doing. Let's find the original back here. Here's the original. So they're pretty close. That's as close as I can get. Make sure when you're done with this that you still iron and smooth it. You'd be surprised what a difference it makes when you iron that hem. I'm sorry that this has become part of bridal alterations, these kind of just a rolled hem. I'm sad. I much prefer a rolled hem to be serged like this on a rolled hem and then just fold it under tiniest bit and then do top stitching on top. That is my preferred rolled hem. Just top stitch on top of this, keep it tight and skinny like this, that just barely folded under, top stitch. That's how I would do it, but I always try and do it the same as the manufacturing, and this is what the manufacturer did, tragically. I hope that was helpful for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.